How to recover a Telegram account without email or phone. This tutorial shows you how to contact Telegram support directly to regain access to your account. First, open Chrome on your Android device and go to telegram.org/support. You'll land on Telegram's official support page where you can submit a recovery request directly to their team. In the first text box, describe your issue in as much detail as possible. Make it clear that you no longer have access to the phone number or email linked to your account, as this helps the support team understand your situation right away. After that, enter your full legal name in the field below. From there, add an email address where Telegram can reach you. Make sure it's one you currently have access to. In the next field, enter the phone number that was originally linked to your Telegram account, including the country code. Once everything is filled in, tap Submit to send your request. Keep in mind, Telegram support can take a few days to respond, so keep an eye on the email you provided and follow whatever instructions they send you to complete the recovery process. And that's it. If this guide helped you recover your Telegram account, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads. See you in the next one.